Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. People who want to go to UAE on freelance visas, or people who are already in UAE on cancellations looking for freelance, I would advise you to go for free zone visas, which are way better than freelance. You know, freelance visas come with a labor contract and labor cards, and then once you have to cancel, you have to call labor. So there are so many challenges. But free zone visa directly comes from the immigration. There is no labor involved. Then those people who are complaining about WPS issues, there's no WPS involved in free zone areas. So you're also free over there. You know, most of the Nigerians in UAE for the past few years have not been getting mainland visas, freelance visas, because freelance visas are from mainland. So they all go for free zone visas. And they're there in UAE for a long time and they're legal. Because free zone visas also come with 2 years Emirates ID, you can open a bank account, you can do anything that you do with any Emirates ID that you can. It also has an NOC, salary certificate, so it's the same thing as freelance. The only difference is there's no labor involved, no WPS issues, and it's faster. Then the free zone also comes with 1 year health insurance, which freelance does not give. Freelance you have to do ILO insurance and Toji class. But with free zone, you have to get 1 year insurance. That's how you get the free zone visa. So free zone visas are way better in many ways. So I would recommend all my friends to take free zone visas rather than getting for freelance, especially females. That's it. Please share the video with your friends also. Much love and God bless Africa.